Hello everyone, this is Monica from Cambridge IELTS 9. We are going to do writing task 2 and the topic is here being a celebrity such as a famous film star or sports personality brings problems as well as benefits. Do you think that being a celebrity brings more benefit or more problem? Okay. Before reading this, you should always read the instructions. Like instructions here are about 40 minutes on this task. You should spend about 40 minutes on this task. Write about the following topic and give reasons for your example and include any relevant examples from your own knowledge or experience. And the important thing, you must write at least 250 words for this essay. There is no limitation for maximum words. In fact, this is but minimum words should be 250 words. Okay, after getting your essay, what are the important steps you should take? First, you have to take out the topic, subject, topic or subject. What is the subject of this question? Okay, let's discuss the steps which we are going to use it for this. Okay, the first step you will be following, read it 3 or 4 times. The question you should read it 3 or 4 times in order to understand the meaning of that question statement. Okay, next is find out the main topic. As I explained you, find out the main topic. After reading the question statement, you should read the main topic of the question and find out what is the type of essay. And just look at this example here. Okay, let's go to the question. Now I have read out this question 3-4 times. Now I understand the meaning of this question properly. So what the writer is saying, for celebrity like film star or sports personality, it can bring more problems or troubles, as well as more advantages. So do you think that celebrity brings more advantages or benefits or more problems? This we have to write. The main topic is here being a celebrity. So let's write it here, celebrity. Now we have come to know that we have to write benefits and problems, means advantages and disadvantages we have to write. But here we have to tell them, do you think, now he has asked about our opinion also. Do you think, for this, in conclusion as well as in the instruction, you have to give your opinion that it brings more benefit or more problem. It's up to you. Want to explain more problems than more benefits, or you can explain more benefits than problems. Means you can write 2 or 3 benefits and 2. If you are writing 3 benefits, if you are saying that it has more benefits than 2 problems, or if you are saying more problems, then you can write 3 problems and here 2 benefits only. You have to show more which one you are supporting. If you are supporting this, then you can write more points than this problem. Okay, let's start the essay. Okay, steps as I explained you, read it 3-4 times, find out the main topic. Next is type of essay we have come to know. After this, the important step we should follow, bring out the synonyms of the words from the question statement, here. Okay, next step is we have to find out the words and the synonyms for that, because in the whole essay we are not going to repeat the words celebrity, famous film star, famous sports personality and all. We have to find out the synonym for these words. We will be planning it. Okay, next is plan for the body paragraphs, 1 and 2 paragraphs. We have to write the points in advance at the side of the question. Next, last one is proofreading. In the last, it is important. Proofreading is very important. Proofreading here means reread your content or essay which you have written, and of course you are writing with pencil. You can erase it and write the good words, as well as if there is any mistake in spelling or tenses, you can correct it. Let's start it. Now the question statement is being a celebrity. Now I have circled it. For this word I am going to write the synonym. Of course, famous also, for famous film star we can write another word. Sports personality, of course we can find another word for this. And brings also we can find problems, as well as benefits. We can find these kinds, we can find synonym for these words in advance before writing the answer, before writing on the answer sheet. Okay, first word is being. For being I have written over here living like a personality, or to become like a. Living like a personality. For being we can write these words, to become a famous person. Okay, not every time we are not going to write being a celebrity, being a celebrity and all. For celebrity we will be writing the another words like famous person, very important person, and of course you are not going to write VIP because this is not allowed in IELTS. Next is superstar, dignitary, popular, big name, public figure, notable person. These are the words we can use instead of writing celebrity. Next word is famous. All the words are in, I have selected from the question statement only. Famous, well known, prominent, popular, competitor, sports person and athletic person. Okay. For problems we can write difficulty, issues, difficulty here, difficulties, issues, troubles, worries, complications. Okay. For benefits we can write helpful, support, assistance, reaping benefits or reap benefits, welfare or advantages. We can write these words for the word benefits. Okay. Now let's go to the introduction part. How we can write the introduction? Let's discuss it. Introduction. There are two methods. We can write in any other method. You can choose it. First is change the words with their synonyms in the question statement. As it is, whatever it is written in the question, you can change the words with their synonyms and with the help with. And second is with thesis statement. You have to write two sentences. One is paraphrasing the question statement, second is thesis statement. So first method is change the words with their synonyms in the question statement with the thesis statement. Second method is rephrase the question statement into your own language but without changing the meaning of question statement. Okay. Second is rephrase the question statement into your own language but without changing the meaning of question statement. That is the way you can do it. Okay, let's start with next part is planning for the body paragraphs. Okay, next is we have to, as I told you, we have to plan for the body paragraph 1 and 2. Here I have written for the body paragraph 2 advantages. I will be writing advantages, and in the second paragraph I will this is the body paragraph. I will be writing the advantages in body paragraph 2, and because I am supporting advantages, more benefits of being celebrities, so I will be writing this in second paragraph. Reason is because I have to write more points for advantages and very less points for disadvantages. So I will be writing in this disadvantages in para 1, and here this is in para 2. Okay, now for advantages, what I have written over here, for advantages, like for being a famous person, they can get more fame, respect and attention of public. They will be respected by public or fans. Second is earns a lot of money. They can earn lot of money. Next is get media attention. After being popular in public, they can get media attention. They will be getting media attention. In fact, fourth is proud international fame and attention. They will get attention throughout the global. And fifth is bring success and fame for the country. He not only his fame, in fact country will get the fame for due to this personality. Disadvantages is less privacy. There are 2-3 disadvantages I have written over here. The points: less privacy, always disturbed by the fans, limited freedom, and mental disturbances. Okay, and for now the full essay. In introduction, let's read it. Famous people like movie stars or top athletes may have luxurious benefits. However, their fame can also be detrimental. Okay, from here to here I have paraphrased the question statement. Now it's turn to explain my point of view. In my opinion, the advantages of being a notable figure outweigh the disadvantages. So according to my point of view, there are more advantages for being a celebrity than the disadvantages. So I have explained to the examiner that I am going to write more advantages than disadvantages. So let's go to the next paragraph, that is body para 1. So I am going to write less disadvantages. That's why in body para 1 I will be writing the problems. To begin with, these are the etiquettes. These are the etiquettes to start a paragraph or to begin the paragraph. To begin with, comma, less privacy. After starters, you have to write the topic statement. Topic statement is less privacy is enjoyed by well-known person. Like I have done it here like this. I have forgotten to write persons. I am writing with pencil, so I have to write it like this. Sorry, pen. So I have to write like this. But you should not do this mistake in your exam as well as in practice. You should always practice with pencil only, this pencil. And in IELTS exam also you are going to write with pencil. So it's a benefit for you to write with pencil. Okay, because let's start it again. To begin with, less privacy is enjoyed by well-known person because all the time they are targeted to cover by media and his fans. All the time they are targeted, they are watched by media and his fans. Even though their single behavior and events in his life is closely watched and judged by the public. Everywhere they are targeted, even they are going for their own personal ceremony or in the another person's party. As a result, this is the topic statement. I have given the reasons for that here, because I have given the reason for this statement. And as a result they are under high pressure of maintain their life. They are under high pressure of maintaining or to maintain their lifestyle. Another drawback is that superstar lead a very hectic life, which makes it difficult for them to maintain a balance. Another drawback is superstar lead a very hectic life, which makes it difficult for them to maintain a balance. Okay, due to this, now this is the topic statement and which makes it difficult. This is the reason. From here to here, this is the reason for this statement, and here this is the result. Due to this, they experience mental breakdown, drug abuse, or breakup of personal relationships. Okay, let's go to the example now. This is the example. Take an example of famous actors from Bollywood, Divya Bharti and Sushant Singh Rajput. They committed suicide at their residence. Because of the mental problem and drug abuse. Okay, let's go to the second paragraph. Okay, now I will be writing the advantages for the topic for being a celebrity. On the flip side, As I told you, these are the etiquettes to start the paragraph. You should write it. On the flip side, now we are talking opposite from the first paragraph. There are many more merits of leading a dignitary life. Firstly, this is the topic statement. These are the starters. Okay, firstly, celebrities are admired and respected by the public because of their great work. Some fans make the celebrity as their role model. Some fans make the celebrity as their role model because they always follow their fashion statement, their speaking, their lifestyle. They always try to follow their role model. But I think this is they always follow in negative way. But very few people follow how they become celebrity in their life. They don't follow these kinds of things for the role model. Secondly, first I have written here and here. Secondly, it opens the gate to the wealth. It opens the gate to the wealth. And they earn a lot of money by working. They earn a lot of money working for the big brands such as ACC Cement, Lakme. Akshay Kumar is the brand ambassador for ACC Cement Industries. Thirdly, now I am going to write the third point. Thirdly, they are recognized at an international level also, which when they play for the Olympic Games or some international events like cricket series, a record is submitted. Sorry, here I have to write, instead of writing they, I should write sportsperson. Sportspersons are recognized at an international level. They also, when they play for the Olympic Games or some international events like cricket series, a record is submitted on the name of his country as well. It can bring reputation for both his country and himself. It is a proud moment for the country. It is a proud movement for a country. See, while I am making this video, I have written this essay just 1 hour before. Now I am going, it's like a proofreading for me. I have found many mistakes while reading for the video. So that's why proofreading is very important. I want to say it, proofreading is very important. So it's a proud moment for a country. Every person knows about Sachin Tendulkar, who is well known fame for cricket world. Therefore, now the result, therefore everyone, sorry, E is small capital, everyone likes to become a world renowned personality to avail the very luminary lifestyle, to avail the, sorry, very is not here, to avail the luminary lifestyle. This was the body para 2. This was the body para 2. Body para 2. Now come to the conclusion. To conclude, it is a gift which a few people get out of million with a little inconvenience. Okay, I have just paraphrased the question statement in my own words. According to me, it has more benefits than the trouble. According to me, it has more benefits than the trouble. And after writing the essay, you should always proofread your essay. That's why you must have noticed while I was reading, I found my mistakes in that way. You can easily take out your errors and just erase and just rewrite it again, the correct things. Okay, so answer is thanks.